Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome back to more RC video reviews. Today in this video, revolution starts here. The little tiny ISDT charger in my hand for charging the 1S FPV Whoop batteries. You can charge 4 of these batteries at the same time using this tiny charger in the field or at home, or no matter where you are flying your FPV whoops, wherever is your FPV whooping session, and keep FPV whooping for the cure of your whooping cough. So this is the ISDT UC4, a little compact, very lightweight little charger that you can carry in your pocket, even smaller pockets, and charge your 1S FPV whoop batteries anywhere you want. You can charge your FPV whoop batteries at 0.5 amp, 1 amp, or at 1.5 amp to quickly charge your FPV whoop batteries using this tiny little charger. This is pretty useful charger. Basically, I have lots of 1S and 2S batteries. It charges only 1S battery with PH 2.0 connector. So that is a limitation here. You have to have a PH 2.0 connector. So here's the user manual, there's a USB cable and a little charger right here. You have 4 ports, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can charge 4 batteries, and these are just PH 2.0, nothing else. You have a USB connector, so you can power it using a USB, and there's only one button to control all the charging features. Basically, as soon as you connect the battery, it will start charging. Now, in order to charge the batteries at 1.5 amp, you should not be connected to your computer. I mean, you should not connect the supplied USB cable to your computer. You should connect it to something like this. For instance, this one. This is an adapter for USB cables that plugs in my 220 volts power source and provides output up to 1000 milliamp. That is 1 amp. Similarly, I have another one which provides me 1 amp output. So I'm not sure if these are providing 1 amp output, it will still charge 1.5A or not, but again, it does mention in the user manual that if you want to charge at 1.5 amp, you should have a suitable power adapter that gives you proper output, so this charger can charge at 1.5 amp maximum. My cable is not very long, so bear with me. Green light. If there's a red light, means there's a failure or some kind of trouble. Now there are these light color codes as well. At the moment you are watching a purple light. That means the charger will charge at 1.5 amp. So press and hold the button and it turns white. This means now charger will charge at 0.5 amp. Press and hold the button, it turns to cyan color. I believe I'm pronouncing it right, cyan or cyan. In this mode it will charge at 1 amp. I'll put it on purple. Was that purple? Yeah, it was purple. And that will charge at 1.5 amps. So now I'm going to connect the batteries. There you go. There you go. Another battery. One battery is with the green LED. That means the battery is charged. Let me just get more closer. I hope you can see the battery, the colors of LEDs as well. Here comes another battery. Green is also charged. And here comes the final battery. Now 2 batteries are having red blinks while 2 are showing green. So basically the green are charged. Let me just remove these ones. Let me put the charging ones down here, okay, and remove the charged ones. Let's see if I have anything else that needs charging. For instance, this 300 milliamp. Green. Green. Red. All right. Now this is charged. This needed charging and charging. So I'm charging 4 batteries at the same time now. Now how do you find out that the battery is at what level while it's charging? Of course, green LED means, solid green LED means the battery has been charged completely. Maybe I'm going colorblind. It does look red, but the user manual says it's orange light, and the blink pattern of this orange light shows how much percent is your battery charged. That means when battery capacity is less than 40%, it will blink once, as it's blinking now. When battery is in between 40 to 70% capacity, it will blink twice. When battery is between 70 to 100% capacity, it will blink 3 times. And of course, when the battery is fully charged, it will be solid green. Alright, so very neat little charger, definitely very neat little charger, and you can charge all your FPV Whoop batteries on the field. Carrying it with you is really very easy given the size of this charger, and it does charge the batteries, you know, pretty fast on 1.5 amp. Not as fast as this, which is Ultra Power UPS 4 AC that charges 1S and 2S batteries and also charges the NiCad and NiMH batteries. Not as fast as this, but still does a very good job. And of course, compared to this one, which you can also take to the field, and using a XT60 connector on a LiPo battery, you can power it and charge your 1S batteries. But again, look at the size. Would you rather carry this or that on the field? Definitely I will carry this one on the field because it's really very compact. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.